To get notified when your phone detects suspicious Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable detect suspicious network feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the gray on off switch next to detect suspicious networks until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, you will get notified when your phone detects suspicious activity on the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected with. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.